How to use Todoist Camera for productivity tracking. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be teaching you how you can use Todoist Camera for productivity tracking. Okay? Yeah, so let's get right into it. The first step is to log in into your account. Once you're logged in into your to do it account, just like I have done here, you can see options by the left side of the screen, such as search, inbox today, upcoming filters and labels, and then you can see your project as well. So once you can do this, the next step is to go up to the top part of the screen, click on your profile icon, and then go ahead and click on settings. After clicking on settings, you will be brought to your settings page. On this page, you would see accounts. The left side of the screen, you will see general, advanced. Just scroll down, but you can see productivity. Then you click on it. After clicking on productivity, you will be brought to the productivity page. Then under this write-up, which says celebrating your progress goes a long way towards achieving long-term success, you will see the to-do is come out here. Alright, so to use it, you can see that mine is turned on automatically. But for you, if yours is turned off this way, you will not be able to use to do it come out. So to be able to use it for your productivity tracking, just turn it on this way. And then you can see you'll be motivated and you'll be accountable for this. And then once it's turned on, go ahead, set your goals, your daily tasks, your weekly tasks, goal celebration, and then if you want to edit anything, you go ahead and edit it. And then once you're done, click on update. And then just like that, you'll be able to use to do it come out for your productivity tracking. It's very simple, right? Yeah. So ensure you try it out today. Thanks for watching and have a good day.